If your GMC Acadia refuses to start, don't panic. We can narrow down the cause in just a few minutes. Statistically, 70% of these no-start issues are simply caused by a dying battery or loose connections. Let's walk through the diagnostic process to see what is really happening under the hood. Always start with the basics. Clean your battery terminals, check for fault codes, and ensure your fluid levels are correct. Your most likely culprits are corroded cables, a failed starter solenoid, or a faulty ignition switch. Don't overlook the fuel pump or security system, especially if the engine cranks but refuses to fire up. Simple electrical fixes can be done at home, but internal engine or ECU issues almost always require professional tools. Here is the typical cost breakdown for the most common repairs, including parts and labor. If you're still stuck, use a multimeter to load test the battery and verify your fuel pressure at the rail. Before you start, make sure you have a basic socket set, a multimeter, and a reliable OBD-I diagnostic scanner. Always remember to disconnect the negative battery cable before performing any work on high amperage components like the starter. Thanks for watching. If this helped you get back on the road, subscribe for more GMC repair guides.